with us yesterday, and of course you were, we were talking about a 10% rain chance for today. So it's not zero like we had early in the week, but something happens, it's not a complete surprise. So you got to look carefully. You got to look hard at the big picture. So let's go in for like the forest for the trees kind of thing. And you see that there is one shower there, northern Rockcastle County. There are two of them either side of Irvin. You look around, you can find a couple of more. These are essentially renegade clouds more than anything else. Just south of Carlisle there in Nicholas County. Hey, we got something that shows up in red just to the west of Frankfort and north of Harrodsburg, west of 127 there in Mercer County. You also have one at the southwestern corner there of Anderson County there along the Parkway. And we keep watching one trying to pop up there at the Pulaski and Laurel County line. Essentially what these clouds are is they get it one good solid updraft where they're able to make droplets that are big enough to then when the updraft fails, which it does fairly quickly, it falls out and you get a 2-minute shower. That's basically what we're seeing out there. So another quiet day for us tomorrow. We'll keep that rain chance at 10%, so essentially it's going to be a dry day. For the weekend, the rain chances do increase, so not so much on the dry days, Saturday afternoon, especially on Sunday. And then you get into next week. It's getting that time of year where we see the ups and downs in the temperatures. If you were out this morning, as you get that nighttime inversion and stuff's held closer to the ground, you might have smelled smoke. I did at my house this morning. The plume is still coming up from the deep south, coming up. We see all those red dots. Those are fires in Mississippi, West Tennessee, and it eventually does make it up to us. And we can then animate how it's going to progress through time. Now, keep in mind, this is nothing at all like what's going on out west. But still, you see that smoke plume dropping southward. That's on a cold front that will change the wind direction. It also begins to shift the overall flow, which takes the smoke that's around back into the Mississippi River Valley. So you go outside this afternoon, you still see that grayish hue to the sky, but with the mixing of the day, you don't smell it here at the ground level. You've got mid-80s as we look around here from the Kentucky Mesonet, 84 on the south side of Lexington, it's 85 at the airport. Boy, it's muggy out there too at that dew point of 70. The front still shows up vividly where it's 81 in St. Louis, 56 Kansas City. That's been there for 3 days. How cool is that? Memphis is 90, Oklahoma City 62. You see the difference between Houston and Dallas. And obviously we're on the hot side of that front. We're going to stay there for another couple of days, but there are changes coming. We get the warmth that'll last on through the weekend. We're at and above normal. As we get into the end of next week, where comes the plunge? So yeah, we'll see a little taste of fall on the way in here. There's your front for this afternoon and evening. That front will be drifting southward. It gets far enough away tomorrow that really for the most part we'll end up with a pretty dry day, a little more sunshine in the afternoon. Then on Saturday, wave comes at us. As it does, your rain chances will be on the increase for us on Saturday. For tonight, partly to mostly cloudy. It's warm, upper 60s. Tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, little less humid. Low 80s tomorrow, mid 80s Saturday. Thunderstorms arrive in the afternoon, off and on rain on Sunday. Next week, there's your ups and downs.